Hey everyone, welcome to August's Kitchen. Today we're making a simple and delicious homemade pizza. First of all, let's gather all the ingredients. For the dough, you're going to need 3 2/3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 1/4 cups of warm water. Check that it's about 105 to 110 degrees. It's very important. 1 teaspoon of honey, a teaspoon of sugar, a teaspoon of salt, 2 1/4 teaspoons or 1 full packet of dry yeast, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So first of all, in a large bowl, add the warm water. Check the temperature before adding. Make sure it's 105 to 110 degrees. Add the sugar, the honey, and the yeast. Stir this and combine and put it to the side for about 5 to 10 minutes to give the yeast time to activate. After 5 minutes to this bowl, the yeast and water mixture, add your flour, salt, and olive oil. Start to combine everything to make it a shaggy dough, as they call it. It's kind of a loose dough. Once you have a loose dough, go ahead and flour a countertop and pour out the dough mixture to the counter and start to mix it by hand, kneading it until it's smooth and well incorporated. You can cup your hands as you're turning it, which will make the dough form a ball. Take your dough ball and place it in a lightly oiled bowl and cover it with clean film. Let it rest on the side for a while we work on our pizza sauce. Let's get the ingredients together. For your pizza sauce, you're going to need a small can of tomato sauce, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of dried basil, 1 teaspoon of dried garlic, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and a large pinch of salt. Place all the ingredients into a small pan and start mixing over low heat. Low and slow is the name of the game here. Stir it until everything is combined and heated through, and then place that to the side. In the meantime, heat the oven on its highest setting and make sure that you have a rack in the center. If you have an hour or so, the dough will double in size. Go ahead and punch the dough down lightly and place it onto a flour table. Start stretching the dough to form a 16 or 18-inch size circle, keeping in mind the size of the pizza stone or sheet pan that you have in the oven to make sure it all fits. I do this on a piece of parchment paper to make it easier to transfer it to the baking sheet or pizza stone later. Make sure you leave an edge on the pizza dough to create a crust while you're shaping it. Okay, it's time to add the pizza sauce to the pie, and less is more here. Don't go, uh, don't go crazy, or else you're gonna have a soggy pizza. Add the mozzarella and whatever toppings you choose. Parmesan cheese is a good choice, or a good pinch of salt will help bring out the flavor. Once you have the pizza the way you like it, carefully use the piece of parchment paper to slide the pizza onto a sheet and then transfer everything to the pizza stone or baked cookie sheet in the oven. Keep an eye on the pizza. It will cook quickly and it should be done in a matter of minutes. Once the top is cooked and the pizza looks done, use the same parchment paper to remove the pizza and slide it onto the cutting board. If you want, here you can add some fresh basil, add new dimension to your pizza. Time to enjoy your homemade pizza. Enjoy. Let us know how your pizza comes out. Thank you for watching.